Hi, this is Ms. Strickland. I'm just going to make a quick video here to help you with your construction. So this says to construct a circle through 3 points not on a line, and then explain how you know this. So if you go here and you watch this video, this is in the instruction, you can see how he goes through. You can rewatch this, and he explains about making a perpendicular bisector for BC, and then if I fast forward it, now he's making a perpendicular bisector for AB. You'll see it up and down in just a moment if I fast forward it. Now he takes these two perpendicular bisectors and he makes that the center of a circle that connects all of those. So watch him put the circle in here. I'll back it up just a little bit. Right there. So this is the center of his circle, the perpendicular bisectors. And now you've got 3 radii that are all the same. So when you come back in here, it says, how do you know that point O is the center of the circle that passes through the 3 points? And then you can say something to the effect of so then you would say that OD and OE and OF are all radii of the same circle and are therefore the same length. This one says, while constructing an equilateral triangle or a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle, you may have noticed that several smaller equilateral triangles are formed, like PQR. Why is that equilateral? So can you see that PQ, or QP and QR, again QP and QR, are both radii in circle Q, so therefore they have to be the same length. And then if you look over at this circle, circle P, you can see that PR and PQ are the same length. And so therefore, all 3 of those are the same, which makes it equilateral. So you just need to say something to that effect. The completed construction of a regular hexagon is shown below. Explain why it is 30, 60, 90. So here we have ACF. So you have to think about a regular hexagon. There are 6 sides on a regular hexagon. So then you have to think about how many degrees would each of those angles be. So we know, for example, that this is a straight line going through here, and that is bisecting the angle AFE. So find out what AFE is and then bisect it. That will tell you what this is. And then work your way from there. Draw it if you need to. If a given circle with center C, how do you locate the vertices of a square inscribed in it? And so that, you go back to the instruction. There's a video that explains all of that. So watch the video and take some notes. Maybe print this out on a sheet of paper if you need to, or just copy it down. So hopefully that gives, and here you just need to pick your, choose your definitions to fill in the blank. So hopefully that gives you enough to get started, and go ahead and turn that in. Thanks. Bye.